secret lover. That's what we are. It's a secret, so near and far. Our secret love is known by all. Where's the secret in our love? Tell me that, huh? Where's the secret? If everybody knows it, tell me. I don't know. Come on, tell me. You say it's a secret love. How big is the secret? Everyone knows of our secret love, making it more public and sidewalks out there. Our secret love, which it's really not because everyone knows about it, isn't secret anymore. How can we keep it secret when it's on television, on YouTube, folks? The Vic and Helen Show for a series. Our secret love. Intimate moments, videos for those intimate